Hello and welcome to AP United States Government Politics, or we'll usually probably call this course AP Gov or maybe APGoPo. I just want to talk about Schoology for a minute, and I'll get into more detail in other videos about other parts. So when you open Schoology, you'll see in our main page basically five things. The first one is the office hours link to Zoom. It says to schedule an appointment first. Please remember to do that. You can just send me a Brave Square message. I will post in resources when I'm available. It's also in the course syllabus, so it's there. The next link is AP Classroom. This is a resource that the College Board, they're the folks that make the AP exam and have created a lot of the program uh, have for you. It has a lot of great resources. We'll be doing some assignments out of there, taking some quizzes and tests out of there, useful videos, and you'll need to be able to log into that. And in fact, one of your first assignments will be to just get registered in there. The third folder is the assignments for the week. So every week you'll have the current week. I'll usually put a topic information there, and you can go in there and see what the assignments are for you. Each assignment has a due date, or in some cases, I might have some content I just want you to have, and there is no due date. So just keep that in mind as you move forward. So those assignments are there for you. So you'll see, you need to join AP Classroom, for example, and so on. Some of these assignments will have an attached Google document. In this case, it's a Google Slides, and you'll get something that looks sort of like this. But at the top, you'll have a tab that says Document. And when you open that, it'll give you your own copy of the Google slide deck, and you can answer things in there and write things in there and so on. Always read the directions. So there's things to do, like it might be to read some pages in the book and that sort of thing. So read directions carefully as we move forward. The resources folder has the course syllabus, and we're going to talk about foundational documents this year and some Supreme Court cases. Those are there. And then finally, there's a link to the AP government page in College Board. So it has information about the exam. There'll be fees for the exam and things like that later in the year. So keep that in mind, okay, as you move forward. At the end of each week, I will take that weekly folder and I will drop it into this previous assignments folder. So if you missed something, you were supposed to be there on a Friday, but you missed something, you can go back and find it. Going back to assignments real quickly, I do want to say that we're going to move along kind of together. So there are assignments that are due maybe when you're not in school, but it's electronic, so it shouldn't be a problem. When we start on Monday, I'll have the Cherry students in class, or Tuesday really. But the Gray students should be working on these things, on Tuesday at home. And if you have questions, shoot me a Brave Square message, and I'll try to help you out. But you just want to kind of keep that in mind, that there's a lot of things that are self-directed in this course this year, being a remote hybrid kind of model. So just keep that in mind. And start looking at that right away. If you have any other questions, just let me know. I'm glad to help.